How's it going, BBI fabricators y fabricadores? Andrew here, and one common problem that we hear that comes up often with a stone countertop install is, how am I supposed to attach the dishwasher now? Do I drill into the stone from underneath to attach the screws? That's a lot of work and risky for the stone. So, what we want to do is make your job easier with the Easy Dishwasher Bracket. This bracket has saved many installers time and dishwashers from wobbling while in use. 24 inches in length and attached at the sides at the cabinet, so no stone drilling or modification is needed. With various screw hole patterns, it is truly universal, no matter what type of dishwasher it is, or even if it needs replaced in the future. Also available in an 18-inch size for those compact dishwashers. Let BBI make your install easier and your customers happy with the Easy Dishwasher Bracket. Also, check out our website for the best products and the best service in the stone industry. Or give us a call, 800-575-4401, to speak with our experienced, professional stone industry experts.